Good evening, class. Mr. Strable here with a quick video on how to compare circle graphs to other types of graphs. So for most of the problems you have to do, it's going to be very straightforward. Alright, so you're going to have a problem. This one says survey was taken during class. Students were asked their favorite sport, and the results were shown in the bar graph. So they'll give you one graph compared to circle graphs, or they'll give you a circle graph compared to different types of graphs. So the first thing you want to do is put them in order from greatest to least with the problem that's in with the graph that's in the problem. So with the bar graph, so it goes basketball, then golf, then tennis, then football. So that's the first thing you want to do, because 9 times out of 10 you can look at your graphs and just figure out which one's the correct order based on that. Unfortunately for this one, they all show basketball as the greatest, so we can't eliminate any of that way. This one shows golf second, this one shows golf second, so these top two show golf second, the G shows golf second, J shows golf second. They all show tennis third, and they show football last. So when that happens, and again, it's very rare it happens, you need to change the bars into percents. So to do that, you have to figure out the total first. So basketball was at 200, golf was at 100, and tennis was at 75, and football at 25. So total is going to be 400. All right, next thing you got to do is find the percentages. I gotta learn how to spell. All right, so find the percentages for basketball. Remember, we take the thing that how many there was voted, so 20 divided by 400 to get 0.5, which is equal to 50%. All right, then we do golf. So we do 100 divided by 400, which equals 0.25, which equals 25%. Then we do tennis, which is 75 divided by 400, which is equal to, I don't know that one off the top of my head, so calculator, pull that up real quick. 75 divided by 400 is 0.1875, which is about equal to 19%. And then football, 25 out of 400, and it's another one I do not know off the top of my head. So 400, that's 0.0625, which is about 6%. So now that you have all your percents, you can check your answer choice and see which one matches, and J is going to be the only one that matches the percents. All right, this problem is directly from the work that you have to do, and it's the only one that actually requires you to do all this extra work. So if you watched the video, you have just been graced with the answer to the hardest problem on the assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.